Hello everyone, I'm your host Florian Stollmayer. Today's topic is St. Patrick's Day, which is celebrated on March 17 each year. This celebration day was named after St. Patrick, the Apostle of Ireland, who is also their primary patron saint. Patrick, who lived from 385 AD to 461 AD, was born into a wealthy Roman British family of the clergy. Already his father and grandfather were both priests in the Christian Church. We celebrate St. Patrick's Day every year on March 17 because it's the traditional death date of St. Patrick. St. Patrick's Day is a public holiday in the Republic of Ireland, Northern Ireland and parts of Canada. It is also widely celebrated in countries with broad Irish heritage, such as the United States or Australia. I'm sure all of you have heard about the St. Patrick's Day Parade in New York City, which was established in 1762. Happy St. Patrick's Day to all of you. I'm your host Florian Stollmayer. Please rate and subscribe to my YouTube channel Florian Stollmayer Music. Buy my music on cdbaby.com and amazon.com. With the luck of the Irish, I will say, so long, friends.